is how the hell do you buy a share in the first place? And this is where it can kind of get complicated because it's not as simple as going on apple.com/buy and just buying a share in Apple. It doesn't quite work like that. Instead, you have to go through what's called a broker. And back in the day, a stockbroker was a physical person, usually a dude, who you would call on the phone and say, hey, Bob, I want to place an order for some shares in Apple. And then Bob would type some stuff into his computer or place like a paper order, and then you would own shares in Apple. Thankfully, these days, we don't really have to talk to Bob because there's loads and loads of online brokers instead. And so you make an account on an online broker and then you can buy shares in a company through that. A bit annoyingly, every different country has their own different brokers that operate in that country because to be an online broker in a country, you have to abide by like a zillion different laws. And so in the UK, the system is different to the US, which is different to Canada and Germany and so on. In the UK, for example, most banks do have their own online brokery type things. So with most bank accounts, you can also open an investment account with them and then invest online.